Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I bring another unboxing. This time is for the Walmart beauty box. Basically what this is just a $5 subscription box. It's only sent out 4 times a year, and it's only based on like winter or fall, spring, and summer. So that's why it's only 4 times a year. It's $5, and this is my first box that I received from them. I tried to subscribe like, I want to say maybe like 2 years ago, but then I never tried again. And now that I'm starting to post more videos often on my channel, I went ahead and did the subscription. So okay, this is how the box looks. And let's go ahead and open it. And so we receive this on there. That's how it looks. And then this is the fall box. And this is what we received. Sorry. Okay. So, yes. Okay, so I don't remember where I left off, but so I got this deodorant. I got the Plackers Micro Mint. It comes with 12 in the pack. And then I received a conditioner and shampoo from, I don't know what brand that is. I mean, I know the brand, but I don't know how to pronounce it. So sorry, I had to put stop on my video because my sister right here, she came. She's still thinking.
Schwarzkopf? Schwarzkopf, no?
Schwarzkopf.
Schwarzkopf?
I don't know. Oh. Okay, so we received those. And then the Gold Bond Ultimate Lotion. The Donkey Milk Mask. Remember what you said.
Oh.
And then I received the Body Fantasies Layering Collection. And guess what I found out? So, okay. Oh, true.
I think.
You think?
I think.
I think it is this one.
Que sí? Como medio.
I don't know. Okay, so we received 2 samples of their layering collection, and this one is called Sparkling Musk, and the other one Romantic Petals. And this is a coupon for $1 off. And then on here I read that it says if you combine both of these, you get a new scent, and it's Night Romance.
¿Será? Pero en gringos.
No, but nobody else. No sale el chavo. So they smell. This one smells like baby lotion.
Va a salir el guy, no el chavo, porque es en gringo.
Okay, vale. Okay. So we received 35-cent coupon. And then we received 2 sample lotions from Nivea. And it doesn't come with a coupon. Okay, I'm gonna show you what she's talking about. She says that's El Chavo del Ocho.
Mira,
oh my god, vale.
I think.
Does anybody know what that is? I just put it there so I could get like light on my face. Okay, so then we got the Olay Luminous Tone Perfecting Cream.
Ay, me tapó.
So, but why are you like that? Hey, you want to go to Walmart? And $3 off.
I'm kind of tired, actually.
You only worked 4 hours.
Well, that's something.
Okay, so that concludes this box, and I'm sorry for all of this that you saw, but yeah, that's all for this video, and I'll be doing more not reviews, but
Did you cook already?
unboxing. There's only beans.
Did you guys eat already?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
No, nada. So, yeah, I will be doing more videos of unboxing and anything that I can find interesting. So, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.